When disaster strikes, whether it's an economic crash, a natural calamity, or societal unrest, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. In moments of chaos, fear can spread faster than the crisis itself, and it's in those times that preparation makes the difference between surviving and struggling. Today, we're diving into practical survival strategies to help you navigate emergencies with confidence. From building your resources to strengthening your skills and mindset, this video will teach you how to stay one step ahead of the unknown. Let's prepare together so you and your loved ones are ready for anything. Fear is your first challenge in any crisis. It clouds judgment and leads to poor decisions. Your priority is to stay calm and focused. Take a breath. When panic strikes, pause and ground yourself with controlled breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Assess your situation. Look around. Is there an immediate threat to your safety, such as fire, flooding, or danger from others? What resources do you have at hand, and what are your immediate needs? Prioritize actions. Follow the rule of threes in survival. You can survive 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without shelter in extreme conditions, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. Let these priorities guide you. Preparedness starts with having the essentials. Think of it as building your personal safety net. Water. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days. Invest in water purification tools like portable filters or water purification tablets. Learn how to collect rainwater and purify it. Food. Stockpile a mix of non-perishable foods, including canned goods, freeze-dried meals, and high-calorie snacks like protein bars. Rotate your supplies to ensure freshness. Energy. Have backup power sources like solar chargers, hand crank radios, and rechargeable batteries. A small solar generator can keep essential devices running when the grid fails. Your equipment is only as useful as your ability to use it. Knowledge and practice are your best investments. Start with the basics. Learn how to purify water, build a fire, and find or create shelter. Practice first aid. Take a basic first aid course to learn how to treat injuries, stop bleeding, and manage shock. Learn navigation skills. Familiarize yourself with reading maps and using a compass in case GPS systems are unavailable. Survival isn't a solo mission. Building a support system can be a game changer. Get to know your neighbors. During emergencies, a strong community can share resources and look out for each other. Join local groups. Look for preparedness meetups or online forums to exchange ideas and